अस्सलाम वालेकुम, वेलकम बैक टू Nadias Kitchen Vlogs USA। आज हम लोग आए हैं ChinaTown outlet in Las Vegas, Nevada। Let me just show you guys these beautiful decoration. Let me just zoom out and show you guys. It's so pretty. So ChinaTown outlet in Las Vegas, Nevada. Mom, this is so cute. I think it just says hi, right? It says hello, just say. मैं यहाँ पे काजल में जाएगा मेरा। नहीं? अम्मी, आपको पता है ये बहुत अच्छा होता है। गुआशा, इससे आपका पूरा फेस स्लिम हो जाएगा। हाँ। Is this real? Like the same price? Look at this beautiful decoration, guys. It's like cherry blossom flowers. More बड़े खूबसूरत हैं. Show them more. The peacocks. You know, they have birds too. People flamingos. I want to see if they have a bird. Machi.
Everything on sale? Yeah. Okay. What is it? You have the luckiest thing in here. The lucky? Right. Yeah. Which one you want? You want this one and the
Let's look at this. Yes, we need something for good luck and good fortune. Just one bamboo stick?
Bamboo stick. Just the one?
Yeah.
What the size you need?
Whatever you consider lucky.
Lucky. This is lucky. Lucky bamboo.
Everything?
Yeah.
Go. 5 ले लो bamboo दोनों. सबके लिए एक.
What's the size you want?
Small.
The small one. Small one.
Yeah.
Give me 5 smaller ones.
Give me 5 small ones. Ami?
You get 5, right?
Yes, 5.
This
Small
one
ones.
This one? How about this one? That one is a $2.50 each. Okay.
Yeah.
Okay.
Give me 5.
5?
One for each
Okay.
family member. Yeah.
Yeah. Okay.
So we're getting bamboo shoots. You guys consider this lucky, right?
Yeah. It's a lucky. Yes.
If we get good fortune, we come back to you.
We have good fortune.
We do, but. One second. Let me rotate. Okay. Wow, so pretty. हाँ, हमने क्या दिखाई थी अब?
हमारी जैसे शाले इसके बस
माशाल्लाह।
लोग दिखते हैं।
ये तो आपके जैसा ही जो अभी नहीं बनवाया था ऐसे।
हमारे भी थे। It looks like same. क्या करोगे आपको बजट करना She has so many at home. Yeah, she has a lot. Yeah. Me helicopter चाहिए इनके लिए. Sports cars. $90 का है. ये $100 का है. It's closed though. इसके पास बहुत सारा सामान है. Called Arts and Crafts.
तरबूज. अच्छा ये बोबा है. Boba. Yeah, which I just had from Thai tea though. Shiba boba. They're so cute.